Show that x squared plus 14x plus 52 can be written in the form x plus p squared plus q, stating the values of p and q, hence solve the equation x squared plus 14x plus 52 is equal to 67. So, to express in the form x plus p all squared plus q means we must complete the square. So writing down our expression, we've got x squared plus 14x plus 52. What you do is you look at the middle term and you take half of it. You write down a bracket, you write down an x, and then whatever the symbol is here, you write here. And half of 14 is 7. You close off the brackets and square, and we've still got the plus 52. Now, what you must realise is that when we've done this process, you've actually added in the 7 squared. And one way to work out what you've added in, if you expand x plus 7 all squared, you get x plus 7 times x plus 7. So you get x times x plus 7 plus 7 times x plus 7, which gives you x squared plus 7x plus 7x plus 49. Which gives you x squared plus 14x plus 49. So if we've added in 49 when we did this process, we need to take 49 here. So that now becomes x plus 7. 52 minus 49 is plus 3. That's now in the correct format, x plus p all squared plus q. Therefore, p will be equal to 7 and q will be equal to 3. It does actually state the values of p and q. Now, if we want to solve, it says hence, so we must use this idea now to solve this equation. We've got x squared plus 14x plus 52 is equal to 67. Well, we've just shown that this is equal to x plus 7 all squared plus 3. So replace that with x plus 7 squared or 3 is equal to 67. If we take 3 from both sides, we're going to get x plus 7 squared is equal to 64. Taking the square root of both sides, we're going to get x plus 7. The square root of 64 is 8. But we must also consider minus 8. So the square root of 64 is plus or minus 8. If we now take 7 from both sides, we're now going to get minus 7 plus or minus 8. So my values of x will be minus 7 minus 8, which is going to give me minus 15, or minus 7 plus 8, which will give me x is equal to 1. So this has been a video to show you how to write a quadratic completing the square form, and then using that to solve an equation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.